Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for viewing our previous videos. If you're new on this channel, please do well to like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more updates and for more tutorials on how to use Photoshop. So many of you have been asking questions on how to do skin retouching. So today we'll begin with the tools that we can use for skin retouching, which is a basic thing every photo editor should know about. Let's get in there. Okay, so this is Photoshop. I have imported a picture of this very handsome young man, and I'm just going to show us the little thing we can do with skin retouching, especially removing pimples and wrinkles, as you can see on some parts of his face. Okay, so before we continue, you need to duplicate your image by clicking Ctrl J, and then you go and select tools for removing wrinkles, spots and pimples. As you can see, okay, some of those tools are this spot healing tool, we have healing brush tool, we also have patch tool. These three tools I mentioned can be used for removing spots on the skin. So let's start with the spot healing tool. Here is it. You click your spot healing tool. One thing with the spot healing tool is that once you click on it, you click a particular spot, automatically Photoshop will sample the environment and replace that spot. Okay, so we can increase the size of this dot. You can see it's very small, so we can increase it by using our bracket sign. You click it and it comes up. If you click it, it goes down. So you should select a size that is not going to be too wide for the spot you want to heal, so that it doesn't create some leftover. You can see we have done that. So you come here again, you click on it, it's gone automatically. You come here, you click on it, it's gone. Here you click on it, it's gone. So like that, you continue doing that, continue clicking on the spots and they are gone. I hope you're seeing it, you're seeing the output, you're seeing the effect. Let's keep doing that. I'll show you the before and the after. So we keep clicking on it. This is a bit bigger, so I increase the size, click on it, it's gone. This is a bit smaller, we will reduce the size, click on it, it's gone. Click here, it's gone. Increase a bit, click on it, like that. You continue and you are done with that area. I think the skin of that particular area is okay. Let's see our before. Can you see our before? And this is our after. Okay, that's how to use the spot healing brush. So we can now go to healing brush proper. Okay, the healing brush proper samples an environment close to what you want to remove and then use it to replace the very spots you want to remove. So for you to do that, you need to come close to it and click alternate key, then you click on it, then you carry it over to the spot and drop it there. Can you see that? Let's take this for instance. You come close to it, hold alternate key, click on it, and then use it to cover the very spots you want to remove. Like that. Do the same, apply it to different parts of the image, and you will see it remove the very spots by sampling the nearest area which you clicked on. Okay, this tool works similar with this sample clone stamp tool. Clone stamp it works the same with it. So the same thing, you just sample a closed environment, alternate key, then click, carry it to the place, drop it by clicking. Alternate key, select a new place, drop it, and it's done. Come here, alternate key, select and click on the spot. Alternate, select, click on the spot. So you continue to do that until you have gotten your desired result. Okay, so if you don't like the tool, you can use another tool. One other tool we can use here is the patch tool. Patch tool, you just draw around the object, and then you drag it to a choice location. Fiam, automatically that area is gone. Drag around the spots and then move it to a cleaner area and it's gone. Drag around the spots, move it, do the same, and you get beautiful results. You see that your skin is being smoothed out or is being given an even outlook. Okay, that is how we use this. Basically, these are the tools that are used for skin retouching or removing blemishes and spots on the skin. I will soon play the before and after so that we can see how far we have gone on this skin. We are not done yet. Let's look at this. So we are still using the patch tool. Do this, we're good. do this, you're good. Do this, we're good. So Photoshop is a very powerful software. The designers of this software have made it so nice that we can achieve anything imaginable with it, especially when it has to do with editing photos and pictures. Okay, so this is it. So let's look at our before and after. This is what the skin is right now. So let's look at our before. This is our before. This is how the skin was before. Let's look at our after. Before, after. So you can continue to do this until you achieve a very great result. Okay, we'll continue to do this until you achieve a very great result. If you don't like the location, you can change it. That's it. So we'll continue. You can use it not just on the skin, you can use it on any part of the picture itself, even in the background where you think you need to remove some dirt on the picture. So that's how to use the 3 different skin retouching tools. Okay, that's how to use them. So you see, gradually you do what you do, and that is it. So thank you for viewing, and we pray that you continue to follow us on our channel. And continue to like our videos, invite your friends, share the video, and ensure you stay tuned for the next round of updates.